case that advertises good cable management is a great place to start. Cable management is important because the better managed your cables inside of the computer case are, the better airflow. Airflow is essential because it is the main method of cooling your computer components. Electronic components inside your computer like to be as cool as possible. So if they run at around room temperature, you're going to have the best possible performance out of your PC. Some systems like to implement a water cooling system, however this does add quite a great cost. You also have to make sure that your case supports the water cooling functions, as well as generally most enthusiasts are going to be using water cooling rather than average people. The number and the size of the fans inside your case is also another important aspect. Again, this is related to airflow. The more fans you have, the bigger those fans are, the more airflow is going to flow through your case. I generally recommend having at least 2 intake fans and 1 out fan, with the out fan being at least 120 millimeters. So remember, the larger your fans, the more airflow they can move at a lower speed, meaning they will be quieter. And the easiest way to find out if a case has good airflow or not is look it up on the internet. Generally, if you have a good case that you're looking at, there will be plenty of reviews online and whatnot. Another aspect of a case to remember is size. You want to make sure you have plenty of room to fit all of your computer components in there, with the number of hard drives you have, the size of your video card, things like that. And then also you want to make sure that the front panel, where you plug in USB devices, possibly headphones, that's easy to access as well.